Hey guys, welcome back. It's Dirty Max LML. Well, today I found out my Fass 150 pump wasn't working, and I don't know how long it hasn't been working. I basically just jump in the truck, turned it on, and I'm going. But just recently I slightly turned the key just to kind of, hear the sound of the Fass 150 pump, and it wasn't coming on. So found out I blew a fuse, and it was a little tough to find it, but we found it, fixed it, and now it's running. But it had been so long, I think, since I have checked the Fass 150 pump, I kind of forgot what it's supposed to sound like. So I don't know if this sounds right to you guys. Okay, this is the sound. And honestly, I can't remember from when I first got it if this is what it's supposed to sound like. But that's the sound that it's making. And I mark this every time I change it. So anyways, guys, if that's what it's supposed to sound like, let me know. If that sounds completely horrible or if it sounds like it's broken, let me know, because I'm not quite sure, guys. Hey guys, I just wanted to take a minute to thank you very much for your subscriptions, your likes, your comments. We use YouTube as a tool to share information. I mean, I'm sure I'm going to have some problems with this vehicle that you may also have with your vehicle. So it's all about sharing information and helping each other out. So I just wanted to thank you guys very much. Water right here just seems to fit perfectly. Look at that. It doesn't make any noise, unlike the noise that oh my god, it drives me crazy. I have one noise underneath here. One of these days I'm going to tear this apart. I'm going to try to diagnose it. It's not this latch. I actually put some painter's tape on here because I thought this thing was making the noise, but it's not. Underneath here, you hear that? Come on. When I'm driving, man, it's shoddy. I mean, that's all I can hear. I mean, pretty much everything else in this truck, the whole thing is really tight. I mean, there's no rattles, there's no nothing, except for just this one spot right here, and it's driving me crazy. So, Duramax guys, if you guys have that same problem, let me know if you guys have a fix for it or anything like that, because it's driving me crazy, man. And also, guys, please go check out Blue Collar Build's YouTube channel. Just wanted to give him a shout out. He has some great content. His truck is a dually Duramax. That thing's awesome. It's deleted. Everything he has done to his truck is some stuff that I want to do to this truck in the future. He does have some rims and tires coming in, so I'm excited to see what those things look like. But go give him a like and a subscribe, man. Check his YouTube channel out. Alright, so we're back in the kitchen. I wanted to show you guys some of the quality that you're going to get from the Home Depot cabinets. Now, basically, this is just staples. It doesn't work really well, so I'm going to have to go through here and put some screws in here to tighten it up. So this is the bottom of the dishwasher. It does not come with a cord, so I had to go out and get a 3-prong cord and install it on here. I guess that's pretty common. I didn't know that, but I guess you have to install cords on your dishwasher now. Kind of a pain in the rear. Alright, so as you can see, it is starting now to look like a kitchen. We have a lot of the cabinets in. The microwave, we just installed it with the ducting. You have to take the microwave apart in the back so that the airflow shoots upwards because the the exhaust does go through the roof. So this thing was a little tough to put together, but as you can see up here with the ceiling, those holes that were there, we were able to patch them up quite well. It looks really good. I'm happy with the results. Well, of course, we needed some caffeine to get through the day, but we're also going to be putting in the gas stove range and also the refrigerator. So if you guys want to see an update to the video, please subscribe. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks, guys.